Well, good morning, guys. I'm in Indiana. I want to visit the Ohio River. My first encounter was the Ohio River Byway. It's a beautiful day, 83 degrees. Well, I'm on the historic Highway 66, Ohio River Byway section. And we just passed through Troy and Tell City. There's a lot of construction going on Byway 66, and many sections of it sort of like this, not a river access view. I was trying to get to the lookout point, which goes uphill, but it's closed. So far, no luck trying to get incredible vistas of Ohio River and the surrounding areas from the high vantage point. So I'll continue on the road for a while. We are now on the way to Leavenworth, Indiana. Hopefully we'll have a better luck there. Continued on Highway 66, and it's supposed to go left as some kind of bypass. But then apparently you cannot go that way if the road is blocked. And so I'm going just in 6 miles, it's dead ends. This is Highway 166, but I have a left turn in 1.8 miles. Hopefully Google Drive will get me out of here. It's beautiful, and I'm impressed how wide is Ohio River in this section. But it's been kind of a little bit disappointing to not to see what I wanted to see in Tell City and in Troy on very rural road. It's a Deer Creek Road in Indiana. The scenery here, see, is beautiful. In a way, I came here to drive the country roads, through country roads, to see how average folk live, and that's what I'm experiencing. It's very bucolic. Google Maps bringing me through this little town at 30 miles an hour. I thought I will show it to you. This is off Highway 37 as we are about 14 miles from the campground. I went for a walk after arduous drive. I decided to take local roads to see rural Indiana and made a detour to Route 66 along Ohio River. It's supposed to be scenic byway. Unfortunately, all I saw is either just bushes along the road or some kind of houses, settlements, factories, occasional openings to the river. It was rather frustrating. I was planning to go to Leavenworth later today, meaning on the way, but then decided that I need to get to the campsite, rest, eat, get some exercise. So sometimes plans not necessarily goes the way they should be, but I'm here, I'm walking, my heart is pumping, I'm feeling good again, and that's what camping is all about. I'm walking pretty fast because the little bugs, the gnats, they sort of don't keep up with you if you go very fast. Otherwise they're inundating right in front of your face, trying to get in your ears. You know what I'm talking about. So, just nice walk after a long drive. But I was impressed with highways here. In both in Missouri and Indiana, the highways are well designed, surface is good, and the ratio of cars to highway mile is significantly lower than in most of the country's highways I experienced. And even regular roads which go through neighborhoods. No speed restrictions, no slowing down to 25 miles an hour. In some towns there are. But in most of towns, no. These are commuting roads. People use them
They're well built in terms of camber. So anyway, I'm just sharing with you my perspectives about this trip. I'm enjoying everything I see. I feel good. I have nutritious food with me. I have everything I need. I every day touch base with my wife, send her pictures of my experience, get updates from her. So life is good. Okay, I'm gonna go and see. There's some kind of boat launch, so must be water. And maybe we'll see something interesting there. Looks like it's a great recreational lake. It's relatively quiet now. Some people are water skiing, but this section principally is closed. Though I see some fishermen sneaking out there, go fishing. Well, certainly a great place to come and settle for a few days and play with kids. For me, it's opportunity just to come and see and hike and rest and drive to see new places. This is second day at Harden Ridge Campground. This is my site. It's nice and flat. It's also fully paved. And it's important to me because I can set up yoga mat right here where my strap is. Big area for those who need to set up tent, table. Not really private because there's adjacent campsites, at least on that side. On this side, it's private enough. The water and restroom right across the road, so that's convenient. I had a nice night's sleep, nice breakfast under these trees, magnificent. Just incredible trees here. Well, another cookout for lunch. I'm cutting potato differently now. Just small slices, irregular shape. It's fast and it's effective. Irregular shape makes sure that they don't get stuck to each other as well. The food is ready. Let's try to transfer without using actually a transfer spoon. See, this non-stick pot is so efficient. Nothing sticks to it. It's wonderful. Putting some drizzle of sriracha. It's personal taste. Pumpernickel bread from Germany. So this tea is called Rooibos tea from South Africa. It's actually ground branches and bark of a citrus-like tree which grows in South Africa. The flavor is absolutely incredible. Look it up on Amazon, or I will put a link. The rating is like 4.9. People love it, and once we start to drink it, we'll love it too. Refreshing, woody, perfect for camping. By the way, I prefer eating with spoon most of my food recently because I realized that fork is some kind of fufu stuff. In restaurants, of course, I know the etiquette and I know how to use knife and fork and do it appropriately. But at home, it's unnecessary, sort of oxymoron, all of that etiquette. This is my early childhood favorite food, and it still is. I walked today around campsites. There are 190 campsites at this particular campground, Harden Ridge in Indiana, distributed in sections or loops. I went to see every single loop. The total distance after walking all of the loops around campground was 6 miles. So pretty nice exercise, because there are no really kind of wild trails. There are gravel kind of paved trails, which are almost not worth it because it's much more pleasant to walk on a solid surface, paved surface. So I had a great walk. Tomorrow I'm going to Leith Run Recreational Area, which is about 317 miles from here. So a little bit shorter drive considering. Wish I could share with you how delicious this food is. Cooking is so much fun. I'm good at it and things work for me. So for me, this is like life adventure. This is like playing. I try to essentially do everything, which is sort of like a play for me. I'm making videos. Am I good at this? Am I not this good? I'm doing it the way I know how. And it's a play. I'm cooking, it's a play. I'm cleaning the car, it's a play because I'm creative about how I do it, how I improve efficiency a little bit here and there every single time. I think that's the answer to chores and kind of boredom of needing to do certain things. Okay, I will finish my food. I'll drink my tea. Thank you for staying with me. It's shady, bare afternoon at the campsite, and I need to do more exercise today. So one of the things I do to train upper body, shoulders specifically, torso, and legs, as well as cardio, I do so-called bear walk. What bear walk is, essentially, I stand in this position, knees off the ground, and I start walking. And then push-ups. I already done today 3 sets of a run of bear run around the van, and then followed by 20 push-ups, and 3 sets of those already done. But I'm going to do a 4th one just to demonstrate to you what I do for physical fitness without any gear, without any props. I'm just wearing gloves because, you know, it's rough. It could be sometimes gravel, sometimes pavement like this, just to keep hands clean and abrasion free. So here we go. Run and then push-ups. Bear walk is done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is pretty good exercise. I really like it. Gives you, and especially if you give about 30 seconds between each set, your cardio at the end is quite pumped up. Try it yourself. Bear walk. Keep your knees low to the ground. Your back is straight. Don't stick out your butt like this. This is not bear walk. Anyway, whichever you could try it. Just do it. And especially it's fun when you're camping. Okay, bye for now.